How to install Avast Antivirus for free on your computer. So this is actually nice and straightforward. We just need to go and open up an internet browser. You can then type in Avast and press enter. Click on this top website here, which is avast.com. Now once you're on the website, you can scroll down and you'll see this free download button. Go and click on this. Now I'll be demonstrating this on a Windows computer, but this will also work on Mac as well. So go and click on your downloads folder in the top right hand side, and then you can open up the Avast setup file. You can then press install and then wait a few seconds while this installs to your computer. Now once it's finished installing, click on continue and then select continue with free. Now I'd recommend you click on this option to run the first scan, and this will just ensure that your computer is protected from any viruses. Now if any issues are found, then you can just press resolve all at the bottom of this page. You can then click on next, and now it's going to begin scanning for any malware. You can then click on next again, and it's going to do one final scan of your computer. And for this one, I just recommend clicking on skip for now in the bottom right hand side. You can then click on finish scan. Click on close smart scan and then close out of this window. So now we've installed Avast free antivirus onto our computer. This is the main interface where you can manage all of your different antivirus settings. You can also click on the taskbar in the bottom right hand side, and you can see at the moment our protection is currently on. So it's as simple as that, guys. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.